Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video we're gonna talk about the three most important and mostly used candlestick patterns in Forex. Okay, so we're gonna go over the three inside pattern. Okay, we're gonna go over morning star and evening star pattern, and we're gonna go through the bullish pin bar and bearish pin bar pattern. We're gonna go through each pattern and see how they're formed and how you can detect them on your charts. And after that, for each of them we're going to go through an example on the chart as well. Okay, so please make sure to stick around till the end of video, and also please make sure to subscribe so that you will be the first one to know whenever we upload new content. So let's get on with the video. So the first thing is we're gonna go through the three inside up and three inside down pattern. Now these patterns are basically three candle patterns, and you can see that there are three candles involved in the forming of these patterns, and these are basically reversible patterns. So if you spot a three inside up patterns, that means that the trend is going to reverse from bearish to bullish. Okay, and if you spot a three inside down pattern, that means that the trend is going to reverse from bullish to bearish. Now let's see how this pattern is formed and what are some key points that you should look for when you want to detect, or when you're detecting the three inside up pattern. So the three inside up pattern is formed by the formation of a big bearish candle in which you can see there's impulsive move and the bears are in control here. Okay, and after that you will see a candle with a small body and long shadows. So this candle should be totally inside the range of this previous bearish candle. Okay, as we have discussed in our previous video about the inside pattern, this is the same thing here. Okay, this small candle should be totally inside this big candle. The highs and lows of the small candles should be totally within the range of highs and lows of this bearish candle. Okay, so there we have detected basically an inside pattern. Now we're gonna see how you can see or confirm if this is a three inside up pattern. So when you detect a three inside pattern and the next candle that is forming, and you see that the next candle is basically bullish and it is closing above the high of this small candle, as you can see here that it is closing way up here, which is basically above the high of this small candle. So that means that this is basically a three inside up pattern. And the significance of this pattern is here you can see the bears were in control, and after that here you can see that there's indecision in the market, which basically means that now the supply and demand are almost equal. And after that the bulls took control and drove the market all the way up, which basically indicates that now the bulls have taken control. Okay, and in a similar way we can see here in the three inside down pattern, it is basically totally reverse of three inside up pattern, where it shows that now the trend is gonna get reversed from bullish to bearish. Okay, so this is basically a bearish reversal pattern. So in three inside down pattern, first candle should be a bullish candle. Okay, then there should be a small candle which is basically totally inside the range of this bullish candle, and the third candle is, as you can see here, is bearish candle, which basically means that now the bears have took control of the market. So both these patterns are basically useful in the trending markets. So if you detect the three inside up pattern in a bullish trend, because this is a bullish reversal pattern, that would have high chances of becoming true. Okay, in a similar way, if you detect the bearish trend, this pattern, this three inside down pattern in a bearish trend, that would have high chances of becoming true and the price getting reversed from bullish to bearish. But if you detect this pattern in a bullish trend, that would have less chances, because this is basically a bearish reversal pattern and this is basically a bullish reversal pattern. Now let's go through an example on the charts. So let me just go here and let me just zoom in. So here you can see that we already have a trending market going on here, and the trend is basically going bullish from here to here. Okay, so we can see the formation of the three inside up pattern here, as we can see that this is basically a big bearish candle, and then we have a small candle which is totally inside the range of this bearish candle, and after that we have the which is basically closing above the high of this candle. Okay, this first candle. So we can see that now from here to here the trend remained bearish, but after the formation of this three inside up pattern, the trend reversed from bearish to bullish, and this happened in a bullish trending market. Okay, and in a similar way here we can see that there's basically a three inside up pattern, and we can see the formation of this bearish candle, the big bearish candle, and then the small candle which is totally inside the range of this bearish candle, and then after that there's a big bullish candle which is closing above the highs of these candles. Okay, so we can detect, or we can see that this trend here is going bearish, and after that, after the formation of this three inside up pattern, the trend reversed from bearish to bullish, because this is basically a bullish reversal pattern, and this all happened in a bullish trending market because overall trend of the market was bullish. Okay, so now let's go on towards the second type of pattern, that is basically morning star or evening star. Okay, so the morning star or evening star are very similar to the three inside up and three inside down pattern. The only thing is that in the morning star you don't need to, the second candle does not need to be inside the range of the first candle. So here we can see that this is basically our morning star, and in morning star we have the bearish candle, big bearish candle, and then we can see a small candle forming which has basically small body and long shadows, and after that there is basically a big bullish candle. So here this candle is indicating that the bears are in control, and after that there's an indecision in the market, and basically we can see the formation of this doji candle. Okay, and this indecision denotes that, or shows us that now the supply and demand are almost at equal rate. Now the big impulsive move, the next big impulsive move would drive the market. So the next big impulsive move in this case, in the case of Morningstar candle, is basically a formation of big bullish candle, okay, which closes above the high of this small candle. So this basically also tells us about the trend reversing from bearish to bullish. And in a similar way, we have the evening star pattern, which depicts or shows us the reversal of trend from bullish to bearish. And here we have the big bullish candle and then small candle, which is basically a doji candle, and which denotes or shows us the indecision in the market. And then again we have a bearish candle. So this evening star, the detection of evening star on your charts basically means that now trend is gonna get reversed from bullish to bearish. This is basically a bearish reversal pattern, and this is basically a bullish reversal pattern. Now let's go through an example of the morning star or evening star candle, and let me just go here and zoom in. So here we can see the formation of basically an evening star pattern, and we can see the formation of this big candle, big bullish candle, and then a small candle. It doesn't matter that inside or the small candle is either bullish or bearish, because it basically tells us that there's indecision in the market and the supply and demand are almost at equal level. Okay, so next big impulsive move is going to decide the direction of the market. So after the formation of this small candles, there is a big bearish move, which basically shows us the trend reversal from here. The market was going bullish, and now after the formation of this evening star, the market started going bearish. So this is basically our confirmation of a reversal. So now let's discuss the pin bar. Okay, and the bearish pin bar or the bullish pin bar are basically the candles which show the price rejection. Okay, so whenever you see the pin bar, it basically means that the price is getting rejected. If the bears are in control, the bulls are trying their hard to reject the bears and take control of the market. And the color of these candles does not matter. Only the location of these candles matter. So here we can see that this is basically our bullish pin bar, and we can see the price rejection from this level to this level. In both these candles, the price is getting rejected from this level to this level. And in a similar way, in bearish pin bar, we can see a small body at the bottom and the price getting rejected from this level to all the way to this level in both these candles. So the price rejection means that the other side is trying their hard to take control of the market. Let's go through an example in order to understand it better. So let me just zoom in, zoom out, and let me just zoom in here. So here we can see the formation of bearish pin bar, and this one is basically our bearish pin bar candle, and we can see the trend in the market is bullish. Okay, now here what happened is the trend was again trying to go bullish, but the bears are rejecting the price, and they're basically rejecting the price, and they formed a very long shadow here. After rejecting the price, they're trying to take control of the market. So that's why we see this red body candle. The color of the candle does not matter, okay, but the price is getting rejected from this top level, this high level, to this close. Okay, so you can see that the price is getting rejected by the bears. Okay, and the bulls are now losing control. And after the formation of this bearish pin bar, the price did go down. So we can see the trend reversal from bullish to bearish. Okay, so this is how you can use these candlestick patterns and detect and analyze these candlestick patterns in your forex charts. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to answer them. Also, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, and you can also visit our website www.forexb.co in order to learn more about forex and price action. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.